There is another viral AI agent from China. So this is Genspark Super Agent, which is a fast and reliable general AI agent. So you can try it out for free. They are giving you some credits. So this particular AI assistant can truly autonomously think, plan, act, and use tools to handle all your everyday tasks. So what I tried over here was I said create a 3JS game like Road Rash. This is how the UI looks like. You can go to genspark.ai. I just logged in with my Google account and then I said like, create a 3JS game like Road Rash. So it says, I'd be happy to help you create a 3JS game similar to Road Rash. This involves creating a 3D motorcycle racing game with combat elements similar to classic Road Rash series. Let me create this for you. First, let me ask you for confirmation as this will take some time to develop. It uses this clarification. I said yes. Then it it says it is again clarifying over here. I'll create a 3JS motorcycle racing game similar to Road Rash for you. This will take a few minutes to generate. Would you like me to proceed with creating this game? Also, do you have any specific features you would like to include, such as particular tracks, motorcycle types, or combat mechanisms? I said yes. So it went ahead and created a 3JS motorcycle racing game inspired by Road Rash. It is helping generate the HTML JavaScript code for this game. So it is using this tool called create web page. And when I'm viewing this particular web page, this is the game. So let me start the game over here. So this looks like Road Rash. See, you can do this movement, and if I were to, crash into it, the scores increase, right? Only thing is, what I found out was the keys. Sometimes the left-right movement keys don't work properly. Sometimes it goes out, and sometimes it doesn't come in properly. Left-right keys basically. Otherwise, this is a very nice game which it has created. Okay, and the game is over, and I can restart. So here's the thinking for this. It says I need to create a single HTML file that implements a 3JS motorcycle racing game inspired by Road Rash. Let me outline what I'll need to include. HTML structure with necessary containers, import 3JS library via CDN, import Tailwind. Then it starts writing the code, JavaScript code to implement. And that is actually, it has generated this code and on preview, this game. Interesting. And it was quite fast over here. Okay. Now, another use case which I wanted to try out was this travel itinerary. So I said, help me plan a trip to Cambodia from Bengaluru for the following dates. My budget constraints are it should be within 2 lakhs for 3 persons. I would prefer hotels with breakfast included. I would like to cover as much as possible in Cambodia. Plan such an itinerary. Here it says, I'm happy to help you for a trip to Cambodia. Plan a trip to Cambodia for 3 people with this budget. So with the preference, and then it says it pulls out 6-day itineraries for Cambodia for 3 people. It pulls out a set of 6-day itineraries. Then it gives an itinerary, and then it says that, okay, I need to plan for flights basically. Right. Then it checks for flights, again uses tools over here to check for flights. Okay. Then what it does is that more specific flight information for your travel dates, again using web search tools. It does that. Then finally it says about transportation options, key attractions, hotel costs, and everything, and then it creates a detailed itinerary for 6-day trip to Cambodia. Okay, day 1 arrival in Phnom Penh, and then it's Phnom Penh, right? Then it talks about, my pronunciation may be wrong over here. So then it talks about what you can do over there in the morning, afternoon, evening, accommodation suggestions, the hotels, right, with breakfast, what is available. The next day is city exploration, and then the third day is actually a travel to Siem Reap, then Angkor Wat's sunrise and temple circuit. Then it talks about departure, and it talks about the estimated cost over here. So this is quite nice. It has given me this output very well. The other use cases then I tried out was help me create a nice blog for my YouTube channel. So let me see this. Right, so here I put my YouTube channel link like this, and then I said help me create a nice blog for my YouTube channel. So it says first is using tool understand video. I'm not sure because it's a YouTube link, and it says no content or API file. Then it says let me check your YouTube channel directly to understand the content better. Let's go to that. Again, fetching the URL, there's some error. Then it searches for my YouTube channel, right? Then it tries to a different approach to gather information about your YouTube channel. So that is what it does over here. Then it tries to understand my content. Okay, it takes a video and tries to understand my content. Then it tries to understand my playlist. Then one more video to understand your content and presentation style. So it tries to look at one more video. Then it starts creating my web page. And this is how the web page looks like. right? AI Learning Hub, demystifying AI and machine learning, and then it starts explore knowledge categories. It has put a few categories over here, but if I were to click it, it comes back over here. So it's not a fully functional website as I expected, but then again it says popular video content, and this is definitely not my popular video content. This has very few views, but it is putting it over there. So I'm not really happy with the kind of output which has come over here. Maybe I can iterate and improve it, but it has created a web page over here. Okay, a kind of a blog for my web page. And for example, if I come, it comes back over here. It has a YouTube icon over here and the link is proper, but for the other things it has created some random links, basically placeholders over here. Okay, so this was another use case which I tried. Then I tried was I wanted to create a video, basically, because they said you can create a video over here, and the moment I said that, your credits are insufficient. So this is some kind of plus subscriptions, which is like $239.88 per year, with which you get 10,000 credits per month, priority access to all agents. So you get all these agents like OpenAI, O1, O3 Minis, Claude. So I think in the background they are making use of all these LLMs, basically, access to all latest generation models, access to all latest video generation models as well. So for this you need to do plus over here, plus subscription, and this is the cost, $239 or $240. You also have monthly $25. Okay, so that's the cost over here for accessing this service once your free credits run out. So this is what I realized. So maybe I will try another example, because I'm for sure that my credits have run out. Yeah. So it comes back with this saying that I could run 3 use cases for free if I understand. I could create a 3JS game, I could create a blog and a trip itinerary. Anything more, I need to have a subscription. Okay, and it's close to $20 per month or $240 if you go for the annual plan, right? Then it comes to $20. A monthly plan, it comes to $25. Let's look a little bit more information about Genspark. What they're saying is that on the GAIA benchmark, they are saying that this particular model performs better than all the previous SOTA. Okay, it performs better than OpenAI Deep Search. It performs better than Manus AI. So this is the benchmark for agents. So general artificial intelligence tasks, basically. Here it does better. That's what they are claiming over here. And it's a mixture of agent system utilizing the best models, tools, and data sets to serve different tasks. It has variable, reliable tool sets built in-house, which have been carefully built and tested to ensure efficiency and robustness. Reliable data sets also, in-house data sets. Right, so this is a glimpse of what Genspark Super Agent can accomplish. So if you are interested, you can go for a subscription to check it out, but you can also check it out freely. What I understand is you have limited credits for free thing. There are other interesting use cases over here which you can actually check out for yourself. So this is about Genspark Super Agent, another set of AI agents from China. So these are all interesting combination of wrappers on top of LLMs. Okay, here they are saying you have access to OpenAI O1, O3 Mini High, Anthropic, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Google Gemini 2.0 Flash, DeepSeek, and more image generation models. And so these are nice frameworks built on top of your LLMs and image generation libraries or video generation libraries. But the UI is quite nice and it is quite fast over here. So you can check out for yourself if it is worth buying a subscription for your tasks, or you can check out for free till your credits run out. Hope this video is useful. See you in another video.